Billy tires, damn!
Ready?
Oh my god! Ah yes, the moment we've all been waiting for, guys. You guys been wanting this to happen and now it's happening. We're finally modding the Z. Just to start off, update on the GTR. Did very well yesterday. No problems at all. I think we finally broke the curse with the GTR. So hopefully, fingers crossed, no nails. But in today's video, we're going to be modding the 370Z. I know I've been saying this for a long time that I didn't want to do it. But finally, guys, we're going to have an exhaust install for the 370Z Nismo. And with that being said, welcome back to the vlog, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lance. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, especially if you guys want to see cool automotive content come out of Hawaii. This is the channel for you. Now, we ended the last video showing you guys what we have in store for the 370Z. So this is just going to be part one of, I have no idea how many vlogs or how many videos or how many stuff we're going to do to the 370Z. But we're going to make a small change for the 370Z. So on my Instagram and my TikTok a few days ago, again, I've said that we have two different setups. I went ahead and got this titanium exhaust from the previous owner, so I already got that as part of the deal. Literally, guys, just look at how beautiful it is. Even at the tip, oh my goodness, look at how burnt that is, man. Very nice work, but damn, this thing is humongous. And I also went ahead the other day, or actually a few days ago, we went ahead and picked up muffler deletes. For those of you guys who follow me on my Instagram and TikTok as well, you guys know I've been trying to find out which one do we go with. Should we go with the titanium exhaust? Should we go with the muffler deletes? I want to say like 65-ish, 70-ish% of you guys wanted to go with the titanium exhaust and the other wanted to go with the dual exit muffler deletes. But I'm not going to say it just yet on which one we're going to go with. I'm going to wait till we get to Aaron's house to do the install. It's going to take, I want to say, knock on wood. That's not wood, that's drywall. We're going to take about maybe half an hour at the most to do the install. It shouldn't be that hard. But before we get to Aaron's house, we have to do one more thing, and that's gonna be the last cold start with the stock exhaust for the 370Z. All right, no joke, I've spent the last 15 minutes trying to find the keys, and lo and behold, they're right there in the passenger seat. All right, cold start starting now. Let's see if I can try and punch it and shift and hold a camera at the same time. All right, put in second gear just for memory's sake. If you can hear the exhaust, let's try and get a little bit of sound. Anything? Because I can barely hear it. As soon as this Honda Civic makes this turn, we are gonna punch it. Well, not punch it because the roads are wet, but now, nothing, no sound whatsoever. Damn, look at that beauty over there. Ooh, we got the Sauce Mobile here too. Very nice. Not sure if you guys can hear the Beamer, but sounds nice. Now, before we pull up into Aaron's garage, literally Saline supercharged first gen S197 4.6 on freaking bags. That's so dope. All right, we got the 370Z up on the lift. So collectively, between all of us, I think we've went through, I don't know, 20 something plus exhaust setups with all our cars. So I think we can kind of get it, but just to get underneath the car real quick, it's literally only just 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts. And that's it. Now, there's one thing I'm hoping is that hopefully, maybe, are these detachable? Oh, are these not? Oh, never mind. I thought that we could reuse the Nismo tips because on the GTR, the tips are interchangeable if you wanted to, but these are all one piece. So I guess we're gonna have to go with the smaller tips, but hopefully it doesn't sound like a trumpet. I think primarily when it gets to a trumpet, when you take out the test pipe. So we're not going to be doing anything from the test pipe to the mid. We're only doing strictly a catback. But just to show you guys, I bought these used. Shout out to the guy that I bought it from. He actually has a Tomei and he only had this for a couple weeks because he wanted to switch over. So all right, I lied, it's not as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. I also forgot there's a hanger over here and a hanger over there, and then these rubber hangers over here. It's honestly not that bad. One thing that I wish I should have done was to buy a diff brake since we're already underneath the car, but we'll get to that later. Just for fun, we're gonna go ahead and give it a little juice. Oh, that's not too bad actually. That's not too bad. Deep tone, deep tone, okay. That's actually not bad.
Yeah, it's really not that bad.
That's not bad actually. Well, not even 15 minutes in. Both of them are in. Now, you can't really tell, but I'm just gonna mention it only because I'm a stickler for it. But the right side is a slightly lower to compared to the left. The left is a little bit more in. But if you just if you do this and you look at it and turn away and you look at it, you can't really tell. Now, the other thing that I am thinking about doing is because these tips look so small and we couldn't take off the Nismo tips from the stock exhaust, we are gonna try, because I have 3 out of my 4 stock GTR tips, I want to see if I can fit it onto these, because yeah, they just look kind of too small, especially like comparison to these are like 4, I want to say like 4 inches. These are probably like 3 inches.
See, just about
4.5,
4.5,
4 3/4.
Yeah, it's a hair smaller than average. 4-inch outer.
Well, Aaron's gonna do the honors.
Let's go.
First startup, let's go.
How mad will you be if it actually sounds like trumpety?
I would be kind of disappointed, not gonna lie, but my suspicion is it's not. Oh yeah, yes. Perfect. That's perfect. I actually like it like that. Not raspy. Okay, okay. Give it one more. Oh, okay, that's a deep tone. Yeah, I like that's a low tone. I like it. Okay, we'll meet you out at the main road.
Yep.
Okay, shoots. All right, get to drive in the Sauce-mobile. Oh, that's pretty good. Just rolling. It actually looks not bad. When you're looking at it, it's not that bad.
Honestly.
Woo, he's spinning tires. Damn. That's not bad. Spinning tires over there. Okay, let's do a 2K. Oh, that's pretty good, man. Let's go up a little more. 4. Not bad. 6. Oh, damn it. What was the most you went on that? 45. Does Sean want to drive it now? Why not? Man, that thing looks so good. Oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. For just a muffler delete. Honestly, I feel like a little kid, or like feel like young boy again. You know, first mod, cheap mod, muffler delete. That's pretty good. It's not trumpety, and that's exactly what we wanted. It's pretty good, huh? It's pretty good, yeah? Oh, that sounds so good. All right, let's go. Let's go. Give it the beans. Give it the beans. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
There we go. You ready?
Oh my god. Oh, damn, that's sick. That's so sick.
Let's go. One more.
Oh, damn, that thing puts you right in your seat, bro.
That's Sport Plus without any traction control. Yeah,
oh my god.
Nothing special, man. Just stage 2 full bolt-ons. You know.
Yeah.
Just the same maintenance stuff that you need as far as making sure that your BMW is well taken care of.
Not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed with the BMW. Wasn't a fan as always, but this thing got some beans,
this
man.
car has the same engine as an M2 without the forged internals, basically.
Oh, this is so dope. That's dope too. Wait for the straight. Drop gear. Damn, bro. Sheesh!
I see why everyone loves them. I'll be honest, it's not a lot of power. It's enough to get into trouble, and it's enough to have fun. More than enough to have fun. This is easily the funnest car I've driven in a long time.
You can hear some wheel spin on that.
Oh, my man's was sliding on the water.
Yeah. Fastest install without any problems in a long time. We always run into something small, but that's one of it done. What did you say? What did you say?
Do I sell the truck?
No, keep the truck. We need a utility vehicle.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The Hellfire truck.
We need the utility vehicle somewhere.
I'm a believer, bro.
I'm a believer. He said he's a believer. So big turbo next?
Whoa.
Nah.
The linear power is so good.
Yeah. See, that was the problem I had just with the stock exhaust. Is like it's just no like life, you know?
Well, that's the thing with this one. Like, you feel it.
Yeah.
You can feel when it wants to do it. You don't even look down at the tach. You can feel what the car wants to do.
Yeah.
You can hear what the car wants to do. It talks to you. It's like, oh, so good. I'm a Ford guy and I'm gushing about a Nissan.
Ow! I just touched the goddamn tail, but it's hot already. That was dumb. I just noticed that these are kind of like slanted in a way. So we gotta rotate this one a little bit. But actually, I'll take that back. GTR tips are gonna go on, hopefully.
I'm fucking shaking, bro. I feel like a kid again. I feel like I just got my.
See, this is the car that channeled like our inner young boy, honestly.
Dude, I feel like I'm a kid again. I feel like high school, just got my 5-speed Mustang. Oh, it's so good.
Now, one thing I also forgot to mention is that we technically don't have to run a tune yet, mainly because when we change the test pipes, that's when it's going to require a tune. But if it's just from the rear end, it's not that bad. Same thing like the GTR. As soon as you change the down pipes, that's when you got to go ahead and tune the car. But it's still happy, still stock box, just a muffler delete, and just gotta love it, man. Shout out to the boys again.